So I have this code repo to add Python tips. And here at the root, you see an index.md with the table of content or grouping by tag. In this video, I want to show you a little script I've running with a pre-commit to automatically update this index. So going to my terminal, this is my repo, and I have a pre-commit config YAML file. Now, if you're new to pre-commit, I highly recommend that you get up to speed with it, especially to run your linters like Flake 8 and Black and Mypy. Maybe even want to use Ruff, right, which is super fast. The advantage of pre-commit is that it automatically runs those files upon committing. And I have a video here that explains it. But here, I actually use it for something else. I have a hook here that runs a script every time I commit. So it's a kind of a cool use case where every time I commit new tips to this repo, it's going to run this script with the virtual environment Python instance. It's going to run that script, and then it's going to add the generated or updated index.md to the staging area. So let's see that in action, right? So I have a couple of tips I already had here queued up to do this video. And if I now add them, they are staged, and GS is my alias for get status. I'm typing that all the time. And now if I try to commit, the pre-commit hook actually triggers, and you don't see that here because there's not any failing check. But if I commit, I can show you what it actually did. So here I added 3 new tips. And that should show up in the log. But if I then show the actual commit, there's an extra file edited, which was, you didn't see that in the commit message, right? So if I look at those edits, so I can do div, and then I can say head, and the caret is 1 revision back. And here we see that I got a couple of updates here to this file. And that actually should match the tags I added to those new tips. So I had an iteration one, an enum, a divlib one. It was also labeled as constant. And here it probably got into the built-in section, which is not visible in this div. So trust me on that one, but if you want to verify that, I can do stats again and show the tags, which usually I add towards the end. Right, so iteration, built-ins, constant, enum, divlib, right? So what this script did, what the pre-commit hook did, it ran the index.py. And I don't go into detail with the script does, you can look it up in the repo online. But basically it regenerates the index, right? So it groups the nodes by tag, and then it creates the index based on the tag index tree. And this then writes it to the index name file, which is index.md. So pretty cool, and just to show that we pre-commit, it's not only for your linters, you can also use it to run some automated task every time you commit. So in this case, that means updating the index.md. Again, here's the configuration. So the language is system, the type is Python, always run true, and then the entry is the actual command. So it's a bash command. It runs the virtual environment Python, the index.py script, and then ampersand means if the previous command succeeded, run also the next command. So after running this, the index.md got updated by that script, and then I added to the staging area, which means that upon commit, it automatically gets committed as well as part of the commit I'm doing. So I hope this gives you an idea. Also, if you want to follow my tips, look at Bob Codes It here on GitHub. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.